Assalamualaikum everyone and a huge welcome to my channel. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि ये जो चैनल है basically related to those people who want to learn English. So if you are interested to learn English, so this channel is for you. हम इस चैनल में अपनी फर्स्ट वीडियो कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं, डे 1 की फर्स्ट वीडियो हम डन कर चुके हैं. So if you have not watched this video, so just go to my channel and watch this video first. And if you are new on my channel, so subscribe my channel, like it and share it with your friend for those who want to learn English. हमने फर्स्ट वीडियो में क्या सीखा था? आई विल जस्ट गिव यू सम recap. That is about the introduction of English. First was that what is English and why do you want to learn English? And third question was that if you will learn English, so what will you get? So there are three questions in that video. So if you are interested to learn it, so just go and watch it first and then continue this video. Okay guys, now we are starting this video. We are starting this lecture, today's lecture, that is depends on two things, that is greeting and introduction. So I am writing on the board here greeting, introduction. Greeting and introduction. So these two topics we will discuss on this video. This is basically the day 2 lecture. I will also mention on the thumbnail or on the channel that this is the second day video or lecture that is related about greetings and introduction. So today we will want to learn about greeting and then introduction. So first of all, we will discuss about the greeting. That what is greeting? Greetings are those words that is used to meet someone, that is used to meet someone or before starting conversation. So greeting are those words that is used to meet someone or before starting conversation. So this is called greeting. If you have noticed me before starting the video, I want to start the video, and when I started the video, so you have listened a word and that I spoken, that was Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. So I use this word Assalamu alaikum. So I use this word in start of my video, that was Assalamu alaikum. So Assalamu alaikum is a greeting word. Okay, so I want to meet you in my video, so I use the word Assalamu alaikum. So Assalamu alaikum is a greeting word. Assalamu alaikum जो है वो एक greeting word है. और कौन कौन से ऐसे वर्ड हैं जो कि हम ग्रीटिंग में यानी बिफोर स्टार्टिंग टू मीट समवन, जब किसी से मिलते हैं या हम अपनी कोई भी बात स्टार्ट करने से पहले वो यूज़ करते हैं, वो कौन कौन से वर्ड हैं? थोड़ा सा माइंड यूज़ करें आप. इफ़ यू विल यूज़ योर माइंड देन ऑल द वर्ड्स विल कम इन योर माइंड ऑलरेडी. सो आई विल mention here those words that that we use in our conversation before to meet up someone, that is hi. Hi is also a greeting word. Then next one is hello. When you want to start your conversation on mobile, on phone, तो आप क्या word use करते हैं? Hello. Hi, hello. Just read with me. Read aloud with me. Hi, hello. Then third one is good morning. Good morning. Hi, hello, good morning. Number 4 is good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Number 5 is good evening. Good evening. Number 6 is good night. Good night. So, greeting are those words that are used to meet someone or before starting conversation. यानी हम जब किसी से मिलते हैं तो हम मिलने के टाइम पर जो वर्ड यूज करते हैं, जो अल्फाज यूज करते हैं, वो वर्ड्स कहलाते हैं ग्रीटिंग। या हम अपनी कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं, अपनी बातचीत करने से पहले जो वर्ड्स हम यूज करते हैं, दैट वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड ग्रीटिंग। I have written all these words on board that you can understand easily. First one is hi. Second one is hello. Third one is good morning. Fourth one is good afternoon. Fifth one is good evening. Sixth one is good night. So I have written all the words on the board. And I hope that you have cleared this thing in your mind. You have no confusion related to this topic. So if you have any confusion or any problems, so you can share me in the comment section. I will read your comments and I will hope that I will 100% I will show that I will give you the response related to your question. So you have written this one. First of all, write it or note it, and then we will move on the second topic. That is about introduction. I have not written here, but I am telling you that is introduction. So greetings are those things that we have done. So I hope that कि grammar सीखना it's not difficult. सिर्फ और सिर्फ आप अपना थोड़ा सा माइंड यूज करें और माइंड यूज करने के बाद अपने आप को एक इजी स्मूथ वे में लेके चलें। किसी भी चीज़ को सीखने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि उसको सीखने से पहले ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि इट्स टू मच डिफिकल्ट। नो, इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट। यू कैन मेक इजी बाय योरसेल्फ। अगर आप अपने माइंड को रिलैक्स करते हो तो कोई भी मुश्किल चीज़ जो है वो सीखी जा सकती है। इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट एट ऑल। ओके, सो नाउ वी आर मूविंग on the next topic, that is about introduction. So you can use these words in greetings. Okay, it's a very easy topic that we have discussed or we have learned today. So inshallah we will learn all the grammar, all the language topics. We will learn all the grammar topics step by step together. So there will be no confusion. Okay, now we are moving on the next topic, that is about introduction. Introduction. So what is introduction? When you are telling something about yourself to anyone else, तो वो कहलाता है introduction. I can tell you in a easy word कि जब आप अपने बारे में किसी को कुछ बताते हो, ठीक है, अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम किसी से मिलते हो और अपने आप को आप इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना चाहते telling to someone for the first time, कि अगर कोई फर्स्ट टाइम आपसे मिलता है तो उसको आपके बारे में इतनी नॉलेज नहीं होती, they have no idea about you, that who are you and where are you from, long where are you from. So nobody has idea about you. So when you are giving the information or when you are telling something to someone, so this is called introduction. जब आप अपने बारे में किसी को कुछ बताते हो तो वो बताना क्या कहलाता है, introduction. I'm writing on the board, telling something about yourself, to someone else, or we can say that or presenting yourself. आप किसी के सामने आप खुद को प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो, or presenting yourself is called introduction. I hope that you have understood this definition of introduction. That was telling something about yourself to someone else, or presenting yourself is called introduction. जब आप अपने बारे में किसी को कुछ बताते हो, अपने बारे में खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाते हो किसी दूसरे के सामने, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड इंट्रोडक्शन. जब आप अपने बारे में जब अपने बारे में आप किसी को बता रहे हो कुछ, तो वो क्या कहलाता है, इंट्रोडक्शन. आई होप दैट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग वेरी इजीली. ओके, नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू क्वेश्चंस. कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आस्क फ्रॉम यू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ समवन, जब आप किसी के सामने जाते हो तो सबसे पहले वो आपसे क्या पूछता है, व्हाट विल ही आस्क फ्रॉम यू. ऑब्वियसली ही विल आस्क योर नेम फर्स्ट. व्हेन ही हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट योर नेम, सो हाउ ही विल कॉल यू, वो आपको कैसे बुलाएगा. सो नेम, ही विल आस्क द नेम फर्स्ट. सो ही विल आस्क दैट व्हाट इज योर नेम, व्हाट इज योर नेम. Then we will tell that my name is, what's your name? You will fill your name here. For example, I am writing here, my name is Ali. My name is Usman. So you can write down the name here about yourself. My name is what? Okay. Then the next question, he will ask about you. Where are you from? आप कहाँ से हो, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम. आपका कंट्री कैन बेसिकली ही इज आस्किंग अबाउट योर कंट्री. वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम सेइंग दैट आई एम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान. आई एम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान. आई एम फ्रॉम यूएसए. I'm from England. So you can write down or tell your country name in this way. Where are you from? Okay. So I have written here 2 questions. You can ask more questions as well, or someone can ask more questions from you. Like I'm writing here, what do you do? This is the question number 3. I'm removing this one. I'm raising this one from the board. So, our next question is that we can write down this question also, that where do you live? Where do you live? Now he is asking about your city, that in which city do you live. So I will write here, for example, I am writing here, I lived a
I can say that I live in Karachi. I live in Karachi.
So you can write down your own city. Where do you live? I live in Lahore. I live in Peshawar. So there are lots of cities in Pakistan. So you can mention here according to your cities. Okay, तो आप जो भी जिस भी city में आप रहते हैं, you can tell to someone.
Then question number 4, you can ask this question that what do you do? What do you do? For example, I will say that I'm a teacher. I am a teacher. You can say that I'm a doctor. I'm an actor. So, I'm an actor. So,
You can tell about your profession. कि आपका क्या profession है? You can tell to someone about your profession.
So this is question number 4. You can ask lots of questions in introduction. Then for example that what is your favorite color? What is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby? So for example I can say that I like gardening, or I will write here, okay, I like gardening.
I like reading books. I like to read books. So in this way you can write down your own interests, and you can tell your own interest to someone that the thing which you like most, so you can tell to someone about yourself.
So there are lots of questions that comes in
This introduction part. So I hope that you have understood this one, that first of all we have started from the greeting, then we have started from introduction. So I hope that you have understood these two things very clearly. And I will give you the assignment that you will write down
more questions in part of introduction by yourself,
and you can mention these questions in the comment section. I will read it, and then I will give you the response about your comment. So do it by yourself. You can find out more questions related to the introduction part. So I hope that you have understood. Maximum
7 to 8 questions you will do it by yourself. 7 to 8 questions related to introduction part. You will do it by yourself. 7 to 8 questions related to introduction. You will do it by yourself.
To mention these questions in the comment section, I will read it again. I will read it very carefully, and I will respond to you related to this topic. So I hope that you have understood these two topics today, and it was very easy that I have told you. So if you have any confusion, you can tell me in your comment section. I will wait for you. And if you are watching this video and you are liking this video, so like my channel, like this video, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friends who are interested to learn English. We will meet again in the next video, in the third video, in the day 3rd of this related. We will meet again in the next topic related to this sport. So till then, take care of yourself and learn me or remember me in your prayer. I will meet you again in the next video. So till then, take care.